Hey guys, today we are here at Wild Thyme Kitchen here in Brantford. This is an exciting new little restaurant and you guys need to come check it out. I am here with Isa. She is the owner. Thank you, Isa, for joining us.
Hi, thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, not a problem. So tell us a little bit more about why you opened up Wild Thyme Kitchen and some of the things you specialize in.
Okay, my pleasure. So here at Wild Thyme Kitchen, we do a lot of homemade cooking. We do everything from scratch. We support local completely. We bring in other ingredients from like 100-kilometer span just to make sure that we're still supporting local. Everything that we make and is in our heat and serve is made by us, by our own hands, right here in our kitchen, right behind those wonderful doors. We also have our paninis. Our paninis are also made from scratch, except for the bread. We do source that out, but we roast our own turkey, we do our own pork, we do things like that make sure that you're getting the best quality meal or sandwich ever made. So I say ever made, but it is really good. So yeah, that's what we do here. We do cooking classes, we host small like kids' birthday parties or even adult get-togethers. We do offer that here as well.
Okay, and are there any sort of special dishes that everyone sort of loves, like staple?
Oh yeah, there's quite a few if we have time for the list. So from our ready-made meals, we do have our chicken parmesan, which is amazing. It comes with your big chicken parm piece, which is really massive. Your side of pasta. Then we have our creamy bacon chicken. Oh god, so creamy and packed of bacon. When I say bacon, there's lots of bacon. We don't skimp out. Then we have our signature meat lasagna, which is a meaty lasagna. It's really good. And from our hot station, we have our southern fried chicken, our Cuban panini, and our turkey are all the tops. Everything else is very delicious, made from scratch. Those are the ones that they always choose, always. So yeah, the southern fried chicken comes with your pickled slaw. Sorry, not the pickled slaw, the peach slaw. Yep. Which we make here in-house as well with our pimiento cheese and with our spicy mayo. So it's all really good and made by us, right? So you're going to get quality every time.
And what made you want to open up a kitchen like this?
You know what? We've been doing this for 20 years. So it's been a long time coming. We love to feed people. We love to host people and we love to teach people how to cook. Young and old, we think it's fun, right? Everyone should know how to cook and not be afraid of the kitchen. So yeah, I absolutely love what we do. We're all culinary trained here.
Okay.
So yeah.
That's amazing. So now that we know a little bit about Wild Thyme Kitchen, tell us a little bit about Isa and your family.
Sure. So again, I am Isa. I was born and raised in Miami, Florida. I met my husband in Miami back in 97, if he kills me right now. But yes, 97. We've been together for 23 years. One blind date and I'm here. But I have 3 beautiful kids. I have a wonderful husband, very supportive. And yeah, I mean, that's who we are, you know?
That's amazing. And what's one thing you would recommend to someone who just moved to the city or maybe has lived here for a while? Like, what's something you and your family like to do?
We actually really enjoy going to the local farms. So one farm we really do enjoy visiting is Brantford Farms. They have an amazing selection of not only baked goods, your apples, their hard cider, their cider jelly is my favorite. Oh my Lord, it's so good on everything. But it's fun because they also do activities throughout the year. They have like an Easter egg hunt. They do everything they do a lot for the community as well, right?
Yeah.
They're nice, family owned. I think they're in their 80th generation of running the farm, so it's great.
Well, thanks for taking the moment and
My pleasure.
Going over everything with us. Guys, all of our contact information is going to be down below. You need to come check it out. Try our food. This is such a cute boutique, little restaurant, and it's definitely a staple in the community. So all of her information is going to be down below. Be sure to follow her on her social media. And, again, thanks, Isa, for allowing me to come and interview you.
My absolute pleasure.